Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I've been doing a ton of traveling lately, like a ridiculous amount. Seriously, you wouldn't believe how much time I spend on planes, trains, and in the back of Ubers. And let me tell you, it can be brutal. That's why I'm hyped to share this video with you guys. The top 10 travel accessories you absolutely need in 2024. We're talking about the gear that can be the difference between a stressful trip and an epic adventure. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or just planning your first big vacation, these items are going to change your travel game. Trust me, I've tested out a ridiculous amount of travel gadgets, and these are the ones that actually make a difference. We're talking about the stuff that's going to keep you organized, entertained, and sane on the road. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to upgrade your travel experience because we're about to dive into the good stuff. First up, we're talking smart luggage. This isn't your grandma's suitcase, guys. We're talking built-in GPS trackers, so you always know where your bag is, even if the airline manages to lose it again. No more frantic baggage claim searches, just peace of mind knowing your stuff is safe and sound. And hold up, it gets better. Imagine this. You're stuck in the airport with a dead phone and your flight is delayed, but not with smart luggage. These bad boys come with built-in charging ports so you can juice up your phone, tablet, headphones, whatever you need, without hunting for an outlet. Smart luggage is designed for efficiency. We're talking lightweight materials, durable construction, and smooth rolling wheels that can handle even the most chaotic airport floors. This is luggage that's built for the way we travel today. So, if you're serious about upgrading your travel experience, smart luggage is a no-brainer. Alright, let's talk about noise-canceling headphones. These are non-negotiable, people. Seriously, if you don't have a pair, what are you even doing with your life? I'm kidding, kinda. But seriously, noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for travel, especially if you're like me and spend a lot of time on planes, trains, or in crowded terminals. Imagine this. You're on a long-haul flight, stuck in a middle seat, the person next to you is snoring like a chainsaw, and the baby behind you is having a full-blown meltdown. Sounds like a recipe for a travel nightmare, right? But not with noise-canceling headphones. You slap those bad boys on, and it's like the world melts away. Suddenly, you're in your own little bubble of peace and quiet. No more annoying chatter, no more engine roar, just pure blissful silence. Or if you prefer, you can pump up your favorite playlist and escape into your own world of music. It's like having a personal soundproof booth wherever you go. With noise-canceling headphones, you can actually relax and enjoy your flight. Trust me, once you go noise-canceling, you'll never go back. Next up, we're talking portable chargers, aka lifesavers, aka the reason you'll never have to experience the soul-crushing panic of a dead phone battery again. Seriously, in this day and age, a dead phone is like being stranded in the desert without a camel. It's just not an option. That's where portable chargers come in. These little guys are compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to keep your devices juiced up on the go. We're talking multiple charges for your phone, tablet, even your laptop. No more scouring airports for an available outlet, no more begging strangers to borrow their charger. You're in control, my friend. And let's be real. How many times have you been out exploring a new city, snapping pics for the gram, only to have your phone die at the worst possible moment? It's happened to the best of us. But with a portable charger in your bag, you can keep the adventure going without missing a beat. So, if you're still relying on finding an outlet to charge your devices, it's time to join the 21st century and invest in a portable charger. Your future self will thank you. Alright, let's talk about travel pillows. They might not be the sexiest travel accessory, but trust me, they are essential for arriving at your destination feeling somewhat human. Sleeping on planes, trains, and automobiles is about as comfortable as sleeping on a bed of nails. But a good travel pillow can make all the difference. We're talking neck support, headrest, and a little slice of comfort in the chaos of travel. No more waking up with a crick in your neck, no more head bobbing like a dashboard dog, just sweet, sweet slumber wherever your journey takes you. Alright, let's talk packing cubes. These little guys are the unsung heroes of organized travel. Seriously, if you're still stuffing your clothes into your suitcase willy-nilly, it's time to step up your packing game. Packing cubes are about to change your life. Imagine opening your suitcase to find neatly organized cubes, each containing a specific category of clothing. Shirts in one cube, pants in another, underwear and socks in another. No more digging through your entire suitcase to find that one specific shirt. Packing cubes help you maximize space, minimize wrinkles, and keep your suitcase looking like a work of art. And the best part? Packing cubes are super versatile. You can use them for everything from clothes and shoes to toiletries and electronics. So if you're ready to ditch the packing chaos, invest in some packing cubes. Your suitcase and your sanity will thank you. Alright, let's talk about universal travel adapters, the unsung heroes of international travel. Because let's be real, there's nothing worse than arriving in a foreign country, exhausted from your journey, only to realize that your electronics are useless because you can't plug them in. That's where universal travel adapters come in. These little guys are like passports for your electronics, allowing you to plug in and power up no matter where in the world you are. No more frantically searching for adapters at airport kiosks. No more praying that your hotel has one you can borrow. With a universal travel adapter, you're covered. They typically come with multiple plug configurations, so you can use them in over 150 countries. We're talking Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, you name it. They're like the Swiss Army knives of travel adapters. Now I just carry one compact adapter that works everywhere I go. It's a lifesaver. So if you're planning any international travel, do yourself a favor and invest in a universal travel adapter. Alright, let's talk about reusable water bottles, the eco-warriors of the travel world, because let's be real, buying single-use plastic water bottles is so 2023. It's bad for the environment, it's bad for your wallet, and it's just plain unnecessary. Enter the reusable water bottle, your trusty sidekick for staying hydrated and reducing your environmental impact while you travel. These days there are so many stylish and functional reusable water bottles on the market. You're sure to find one that suits your style and your needs. We're talking stainless steel, glass, insulated, filtered, you name it. They'll keep your water cold for hours, even in the hottest climates, and they'll prevent those nasty plastic bottles from ending up in landfills and polluting our oceans. So, ditch the plastic, grab yourself a reusable water bottle, and join the movement towards a more sustainable way to travel. Your body and the planet will thank you. Reusable water bottles, they're not just for everyday use, they're for epic adventures too. Alright, let's talk about travel-sized toiletries, the MVPs of packing light and staying fresh on the go. Because let's be real, lugging around full-size bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is so not chic. Not to mention it takes up precious space in your luggage, which could be used for more important things like shoes. That's where travel-sized toiletries come in. These little guys are the perfect solution for packing light and staying within those pesky TSA liquid limits. We're talking shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, deodorant, sunscreen, you name it, all in convenient, travel-friendly sizes. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice quality for size. There are tons of amazing travel-sized toiletries on the market from all your favorite brands. So, you can still pamper yourself on the go, even if you're on a budget or short on space. Travel-sized toiletries, they're the key to stress-free travel, my friends. Alright, bookworms, let's talk about e-readers, your new best friend for travel. Because let's be real, lugging around a stack of heavy books is so not practical, especially when you're trying to pack light. Not to mention, there's nothing worse than finishing a book mid-flight and having nothing to read for the rest of the journey. That's where e-readers come in. These sleek and lightweight devices are like having an entire library at your fingertips, without the weight and bulk. We're talking thousands of books, magazines, and newspapers all in one compact device that fits easily in your carry-on bag. And the best part? E-readers are specifically designed for reading. They have adjustable backlights so you can read in any lighting conditions, even in direct sunlight or in a darkened plane cabin. They also have long battery lives, so you can read for hours on end without having to worry about your device dying. So, if you're a voracious reader who loves to travel, do yourself a favor and invest in an e-reader. Your carry-on bag and your reading list will thank you. Let's talk about travel insurance, the adulting essential nobody wants to think about, but everyone needs. As much as we plan our trips, life throws us curveballs. Flights get canceled, luggage gets lost, unexpected illnesses happen. That's where travel insurance comes in. It's a safety net, providing financial protection and peace of mind. Coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and evacuations. It's just as important as packing cubes or noise-canceling headphones. Nobody wants to think about getting sick or injured on vacation, but it happens. And if it does, you'll be grateful you have travel insurance. I never travel without it. It gives me peace of mind knowing I'm covered. Invest in travel insurance for your next trip. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind and financial protection. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 travel accessories you need in 2024. From smart luggage to noise-canceling headphones to travel insurance, these items will help you travel smarter, safer, and more comfortably. So ditch the stress, embrace the adventure, and get ready to experience the world like a pro. Remember, traveling is all about creating memories, exploring new cultures, and pushing your boundaries. So pack your bags, grab your gear, and get out there and explore. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.